Hey guys, thanks for checking in. I thought this week one thing I would do is kind of switch gears a little bit and go nutrition. I don't know if you're anything like me, but I really struggle sometimes just to get in, the recommended amount of fruits and vegetables that I need to get in. I tend to find myself eating a lot of burgers and steaks and potatoes, but not a lot of fruit. And I love fruit, love having a banana, but sometimes you just forget to take it in. And so one thing that I do, especially for my kids who are a little more picky, is I crank them up and myself a smoothie. And it's really easy to make. All you need is, really, the thing that's crucial is a blender. If you've got a blender, you can make yourself a smoothie and you can adjust it to maybe some stuff that you like. If you look down here, I've got all the basic makings for the smoothie that I make my kids almost probably 2 or 3 times a week, including my beautiful cameraman Madeline, who's doing the camera work today. And so I'm going to show you how easy this is. If you can see, I've got some milk, some juice, some yogurt. I've actually got some oatmeal. You can put oatmeal in it. Believe it or not, you can put spinach in there as well. Sometimes it just turns a little green and you don't even really taste it. I've got some ice and some frozen berries here. I think I said yogurt. And then I got a banana and about 6 strawberries. All in all, this is probably like 3, maybe 4 servings of fruit. The oatmeal, obviously a lot of benefits there for blood pressure and cholesterol and helping with digestion, and the yogurt's obviously good for you. So if you look at all my ingredients, really healthy ingredients, I'm actually going to steal some of my daughter's blueberries here that she was cranking out, chuck those in there. And like I said, the blender's going to do most of the work, so I don't really have to worry about it. But I'm going to put the oatmeal in first, just to kind of let the juice and the milk soften it up for me. And again, you can kind of mess around a little bit, make your own recipe, depending on what you like. But you're going to see that all this is going to blend up really nice. The yogurt, if you want to go next level, go get some frozen yogurt if your parents will buy that for you. I mean, you can get some of that frozen low-fat yogurt, and it almost really turns it into more of a milkshakey kind of thing. Throw my fresh fruit in, bada bing, bada boom. Snap that banana in half, and then my wonderful mother-in-law bought us this space age blender a few years ago, and it has really been nice. But a regular blender will work. I'm gonna pause the video right now just so I can start this because it's really loud, and we'll check back in after I blend it for about a minute. So it is all blended up. You can see it's all done. Nice, beautiful, kind of a raspberry color to it. Made a little bit extra because I knew my camera person would want some. She loves Dad's smoothies, so I'm gonna pour it out. And if you look, that's just got a nice kind of little thickness to it. A little shaky. But for me, this is gonna be lunch today. I'm gonna have about, like I said, 4 servings of fruit. I know everything that in it is healthy and good for me, and I can just feel good about it. So, guys, try it out at home. If you got a blender, that's all you need. Mix up the ingredients you love. The key is maybe mixing in a little of the frozen berries, or at least ice. That's gonna give it more of that thicker, colder, milkshakey kind of consistency. But if you try these out, I think you're going to like them. Take care, guys. Have a good summer. Bye.